Hey everybody, it's Tuesday Tips, and today's all about bacon. So I got this tip from one of my cooking contest buddies, Birdie. I met her at the National Cornbread Festival. Actually, we were in a parking lot drinking wine. It was kind of funny. It was off season, but that's a story for another day. But Birdie gave me a couple of really great tips, and this was one of them. And you go and you buy bacon on sale. Like, I like to do a lot of things where I can buy stuff in bulk and then have it for later and get it at a really great price. So if you buy some bacon on sale, or even if you don't buy it on sale, even if you just buy bacon and want to have it to use, this is a really cool tip. And also sometimes, you know how you open the package and you don't want to you don't want to cook the whole thing, and maybe you just want, like, you're making a chowder and you just need like 4 or 5 slices, like, as the base, or you're doing a soup, or you're doing, I don't know, green beans or Brussels sprouts with bacon, but you don't want to use the whole package of bacon. This is a great way to utilize the package without kind of wasting it and having it, get all nasty in the fridge. So what you do, you buy the bacon, and then it's as simple as this. Can you see this? Yeah. So we're gonna roll up the bacon slices, and I have a baking sheet here lined with parchment, and I'm just going to put them on there. And this is going to be freezer fun. You know how I love my freezer fun. I really love this tip. You roll them up, doopy doopy doo, and you get the picture. So I'm going to roll up all the slices and put them on the baking sheet, and then I'm going to freeze them and put them into a Ziploc bag. So when it comes time to, if I want only a couple slices of bacon, even for breakfast, if you decide you only want a couple slices of bacon and you don't want to cook the whole thing, you pull out a couple of these. They defrost really fast, or even in the pan as you're cooking it, throw them in frozen and they'll soften right up. And it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna finish rolling these puppies up, and then I will put them in the freezer, and when they come out, I'll come back and show you how they work and throw them into a Ziploc bag, and I'm just gonna have bacon whenever I need it. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, it's been a little over an hour, not too long. I'm back, and I just pulled my little bacon twirlies out of the freezer, and then simple as a Ziploc bag. You can feel, can you hear them? Yeah. They're frozen, and they're going in to the bag and back into the freezer. And now I'm going to be able to pull as many slices as I want at any given time for any given recipe. I love this tip. Thanks, Birdie, my pal. By the way, I said we were sitting in the parking lot at the National Cornbread Festival. We were both competing. The reason we were in the parking lot, I said because it was off season, was because the pool was closed because it was off season. I thought that sounded weird earlier. Anyway, like I said, that's a story for another day. But there's my bacon, all set to go. And I just love that you can pull out whatever you need for any given dish on any given day. That's my tip of the day. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll be back next Tuesday with another tip. Have a good one. Bye.